SpongeBob yelled. I must find the ways. Hey, in case you're wondering why you're watching this commercial, I need some help finding the ways, which is somewhere out in this very great world of ours. So help us find the ways. Also, don't go west. That's right. You ruined the commercial. It's not my fault. It was a publicity stunt to attract more people. Oh. What are you two buffoons doing? Mr. Eeyore, what are you doing here? I watched your commercial and I wanted to help you find the ways. Knock it off! So I am gonna help you. So recruit me, please. Okay, we will.
And for some stupid reason, Bird has a weird sock collection displayed on his bed. Hey! You mean the sock pile of doom? Brave move. That's not what I flippin' meant!
Maybe I can help.
No! We're not doing this again!
Come here, I'm gonna eat the pants off of you! Where'd you go?
The crocodile has been boom-death-aside.
Speaking of which, I just might get off of here real quick for some personal space. Oh,
You're not going anywhere. I found my man.
No! Good news, anyone? Who are you? I am a tortoise. Screw off. It is me, Azaroth. I have came for my revenge. Even though I got my ring back, it doesn't matter. I am here to kill you all.
Okay, stop! Thank you, Mike.
Stop this! I had it with the boom devs. I have to say, no, I don't do it.
You ain't nothing but a liar. Yeah, I walk right out the fire. Yeah, you try to keep me down, try to put me underground, but I'm only going higher. I can hear you in my head, in my bed when I'm dreaming. You try to be my friend, you're blowing smoke.
Well, we did it! We finally found the ways! No, Mr. Eeyore, you have betrayed us! Bad news, no one! A donkey has betrayed the entire community by eating the only thing that we have been looking for. Join us as we kill him. Boom, death, yippity-doodle!